The cube root of 8x squared plus 19x is equal to the cube root of 5x squared plus 14. So here we can raise both sides to the third power to get rid of the cube root. So we have 8x squared plus 19x is equal to 5x squared plus 14. Get our x to one side, so minus 5x squared over. And we have 3x squared plus 19x is equal to 14. We have x squared here, so we need to get 0 on one side. So minus the 14 over. And we have 3x squared plus 19x minus 14 is equal to 0. Factor 3x squared plus 19x minus 14. So here we have three terms. The number in front of x squared is 3. So we need the AC. Use AC method. Two numbers that multiply give us a times c, so 3 times negative 14. That gives us negative 42. But when we add, we get the middle number 19. So 42, we have 1 times 42, we have 2 times 21, 3 times 14, and then 6 times 7. We need 2 and 21. We need negative 42, so one of them needs to be negative. But we need positive 19, so the larger number needs to be positive. The smaller number is negative. Rewrite the middle term. So we have 3x squared minus 2x plus 21x minus 14 is equal to 0. Factor by grouping, group 2 by 2. The first group, we need to pull out x. So we have 3x minus 2 remain. The second group, we need to pull out a positive 7. So we have 3x minus 2 on the inside, and this is equal to 0. So inside the parentheses, they are the same there. So we have 3x minus 2 times x plus 7 is equal to 0. Set each group equal to 0 and solve. So we have 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. Add 2 over. And we have 3x is 2. Divide out the 3. So x is 2 over 3. Do the same for the other one. X plus 7 is 0. We need to minus the 7 over, so x is negative 7. So let's check. So our equation here is a cube root of 8x squared plus 19x is equal to the cube root of 5x squared plus 14. Let's check x is 2 over 3 first. So we have the cube root of 8 times 2 over 3 squared plus 19 times 2 over 3. Is this equal to the cube root of 5 times 2 over 3 squared plus 14? Here we calculate the inside of the cube root. We would have 16.22, so this is the cube root of 16.22 on the left side. If we calculate inside the cube root on the right side, we have the same thing. We have 16.22 on the inside. So both of them are the same. So here they are equal to each other. So 2 over 3 is an answer. Let's check for x is -7. So we have the cube root of 8 times -7 squared plus 19 times -7. So is this equal to 5 times -7 squared plus 14? Here, if we calculate the inside of the cube root, we end up with 259. So we have the cube root of 259. And then on the right side, if we calculate the inside of the cube root on the right side, cube root, we also have 259. So they are the same. So here -7 is also our answer. The fourth root of 16 minus 5x minus the fourth root of 7x plus 2. Here we need to move the second fourth root over so we can have the fourth root equal to the fourth root. So in order to bring this fourth root over, we have a subtraction here, so we need to add it over. When we add it over, we would have the fourth root of 16 minus 5x is equal to the fourth root of 7x plus 2. Raise both sides to the fourth power. The fourth root and the exponent cancel out. So we have 16 minus 5x is equal to 7x plus 2. Solve for x. So get x to one side. So add the 5x over. And we have 16 is equal to 12x plus 2. Here we only have x to the first power, so get x by itself, minus 2 over. And we have 14 is equal to 12x. Divide out the 12. Simplify 14 over 12 to divide both top and bottom by 2. So we have x is 7 over 6. Let's check our answer. So here our equation equals the fourth root of 16 minus 5x minus the fourth root of 7x plus 2 is equal to 0. So we want to check for x is 7 over 6. So we have the fourth root of 16 minus 5 times 7 over 6 minus the fourth root of 7 times 7 over 6 plus 2. Is this equal to 0? Calculate the inside for the first fourth root here. And we have the fourth root of 10.167 minus. Calculate the same thing inside of the second fourth root. And we get the same thing. 10.167 is equal to 0. But the fourth root of 10.167 minus the fourth root of 10.167 is 0. So 0 is equal to 0. So 7 over 6 is our answer.